At Samsung Foundry, our mission is to help our customers bring their innovation to market. We are the invisible manufacturing enabler for several key industry segments, whether that may be consumer applications, data centers, cloud providers, artificial intelligence, automotive, or industrial. Samsung Foundry is part of a very exclusive group of companies that can still bring state-of-the-art technology process nodes to our customers, so we can continue to improve the quality of life of a larger cross-section of the global population. Years ago, a large cross-section of society didn't know what semiconductors were, and we are grateful that over the last several years, the importance of our industry has come to the forefront of people's minds. It touches every facet of our lives when we use our phones, our appliances at home, at work, restaurants, cars. It's really impressive how much better and enjoyable our lives are because of these little slivers of sand. That said, we also love to work with other companies and partners to tackle the intellectual and engineering challenges, and we bring these advanced technologies to market. We call this SAFE, which stands for Samsung Advanced Foundry Ecosystem. We continue to develop and nurture its growth so we can continue to unlock the full potential of transformative technologies, as we see most recently with the diffusion of generative AI.